Welcome back to GCS. With the way our business is growing, we need more office space. So we have, from around the back of our yard, dug out this beautiful porter cabin. So what we thought we'd do, we're going to turn it into some better usable space. So we thought, first of all, we'd give you a very, very quick tour to show you as it is today at the beginning of its journey. And then what it ends up like. So, 132 foot by 10 foot cabin. Now, we've used it here on the farm for a bit of storage in the past. It has got a sink one end and a dividing wall. Someone's left an old sofa in here. And there is, in here, an old treadmill. As you can probably gather, I haven't used it a lot lately, but I probably ought to because it would help. And someone's storing a bed in it. So this is as it is today. And over the next 2 or 3 weeks, we intend to totally transform this into a nice, better work environment for our staff. So keep watching. Part 2 very soon. Bit of work in progress on our porter cabin refurbishment, as you can see. It was in quite a poor state, so we've taken one end completely out. We take the roof off, re-roof some of it. Take the windows out the end temporarily.
Now, for the viewers at home, this is the No Alan Titchmarsh. GCS does ground faults.
Saturday morning, in the yard at GCS. Okay. Bit of a change around. Bit of gardening. We're going to put our new meeting room in situ. And if you look over there, you'll see Paul just finishing off painting the back of it. He's doing a good job there. And for the viewers out there that know us quite well, will know it's not John Deere green.
No, it's not.
It's Brunswick green. We thought we'd have a change. We don't want to be the same all the time. We like to be a variation, as we all do in life with different things, don't we? So anyway, this we're doing in a minute. We'll just pick that thing up over there and put it down here.
Just like that?
Just like that.
As easy as that?
As easy as that. It's easy. Right machines, right people. It's easy. Sunday morning. Yesterday you saw the delicate operation of Tim, Paul and myself moving what will be our new meeting room. And here we are, Paul. Hi there. He's busy on a Sunday morning getting it painted. And I said before, I think I've said before, for change, it's not John Deere green. We are multi-talented here. We can paint different colours, can't we, Paul?
That's right. Whatever colour you want.
but we like green. Anyway, further update soon. Oh, quick look inside. Come on, quick look inside. We've got the end panel back in again, insulated and plasterboarded. The box put back in, okay? This has been stripped up. There was a door here. When we took this out, we did find that there was a lot of wood there that was past its best. So all been replaced, all been insulated, plasterboard gone in, we've rubbed down. It's beautiful. LED lights around the outside. And then as these come down, we've got plywood sort of strips down the side, where we're going to put all our TV mounting brackets. Because being a modular building, finding really good strong fixing points is actually quite hard in these walls. So we're going to put our own 3/4 inch 19mm strips down the wall to mount TV brackets, so that we can put, so we have Zoom meetings and things like that, we can actually have it mounted on the wall, make it a lot easier to look at. So yeah, onwards and upwards. Keep watching. We'll soon be on the way.
Just come for a bit of a progress report. Where's Paul gone? Is he hiding? Just making sure he's not hiding behind there. Yeah, been a few days since I've been in. Different, very different. Yeah, I think Paul likes the pink for the mood lighting while he works. Come around here, come around here, come around here. Oh, you got the other side as well? But yeah, he goes for the pink. He brings out the colour in his handbag. Yeah. Had a sign made, a friend of mine made a sign. Thanks, Matt. Lovely job. That'll go on there, that'll be backlit. But yeah, we're getting very near. We must be getting very near finishing now. There's a carpet to go down, tables, cabinet, settee if we fancy a little snooze on a busy afternoon. Yeah, it's coming on nicely. Video, that's not a video. Picture there, if anybody recognises that. May have been me driving the Forager.
Here's Paul. Paul has done
Hi there.
all of the hard work in here. Absolutely awesome.
I must have a mask.
And now he's nicking one of our Mars bars. He was doing really well until that point.
I need a mask. Keep me going.
He's done really, really well. Absolutely really well. We'll do a bit more footage tomorrow. This is Sunday night. We're very near completion. This project that we've been doing is for a new meeting room. We have people come to see us almost on a daily basis, customers, suppliers, and people here also collect goods that they bought, collect trade that they bought. So we wanted a meeting room where we've got somewhere nice, sit down with people in a nice environment to talk to them. We've spent a lot of time. Paul has done an absolutely fantastic job of turning what was a very run-down office container into something that's very presentable. Now, as we go in, we'll give you a quick guided tour, but you will notice that we do still have the pallets as the steps, okay? That will change shortly. Anyway, come and have a look at what we've achieved. So, welcome to our meeting room. Now, the only thing we have got wrong is, not wrong, we haven't got right. The table is still wood effect. This will be changed to black. In fact, apparently, I'm told, we're going to respray this in our paint shop. How good that's going to come out, I'm not so sure, okay? Now, guess who's appeared? He's so worried that I'm getting all the limelight. So anyway, this cabin, as you've seen before, has been completely rebuilt that end, okay? New roof, new wall, the window will put back into it, and the floor's been redone. So it's been completely overhauled, completely rewired. Anybody think you had nothing better to do, wouldn't you, really? Anyway, rewired it. We've got some nice IKEA shelves there. Now, I've not been an IKEA person now, but I've been to IKEA and had a tour, and it's quite some business, isn't it? Quite some business. There, some of the models. We've got televisions here wired in with HDMI cables, so we can plug them into our computers so we can show people. Our normal colour scheme, as you know, is sort of, well, on the property side of what we do, is normally basic Magnolia and things like that, but we've gone for a black and a grey. And we're actually very pleased with it. We think it actually works really well. So we've got some nice pictures up on the wall. The stuff that we do. Picture here. Me and my grandma. I was 18 there. Not quite as heavy as I am now. But it's a JCB that we bought, me and my grandma. Very proud picture of that. Very proud picture of that one. My grandma, rest in peace. Yeah, 18 years old. £16,000 JCB we just bought. Anyway, we've got more pictures here of JCBs. Then we come round, we've got new carpet, all laid by Paul. Paul has done all of this, okay, on his own. He's done all of this on his own. New lino, new mat. Anyway, then we come round, more pictures. Another TV here. We have got a sofa that's going to come in here. It's just not arrived yet. So people can sit here and watch their favourite YouTube channel. GCS Machinery, I hope. Okay, but there we go, the YouTube channel. And then we have our kitchen area, which we're very proud of, okay? This sign was made by a friend of ours called Matt Elkington. Awesome job. Paul was then put the LED lights under the rear of it and mounted it on there. We think it looks great, absolutely great. And the green lights here also then match in with our mood lighting, which we have on the roof, ceilings, which can be changed to any colour. So depending on the visitors, we can change the colour. Then we have our kitchen area. So we've got our sink, we've got an under-counter fridge. Again, all fitted by Paul. Nice sink. Again, we've gone for the black theme. We think it works. Nice picture on the wall. Look at what a handsome chap. You've got to admit, what a handsome chap. And that's me next to him, okay? That's me, but there, look at that. Spirit the reindeer. So now you have, this is a little tour of our completed project. It does make me very proud, the fact that we do these projects in-house. I mean, those of you who know us will know that we also do a lot of property refurbishment. So we buy properties in poor state, we refurb them, then we let them. So we're very lucky. We have the talent and the skill of our employees to carry out projects like this. And when you see this in its completed format, it's awesome. Absolutely awesome. And say, very lucky. Paul Barnes has worked for us for a couple of years now. Brilliant. Done a brilliant job. As with all the other employees do as well. But this is one of Paul's projects. So we're very pleased with it. And we'll keep it to good use, I'm sure. So that's this project. On to the next one. So thank you for watching. Oh, click and subscribe. Click down here, see a video you may not have seen before. Click over here to watch some of our machinery with Just Jane, the Lancaster bomber. Okay, it's Kirkby. And please click and subscribe to our channel. It does make a lot of difference to us, and we really would appreciate if you can do that. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you.